Hey guys, subscribe for daily content, and if you're shopping for gear, make sure you check out the description for the newest items at some of the very best online retailers. There's also links for some of the items that I personally recommend. Thanks! What's going on YouTube? Metal Complex here, and today I've got another short little unboxing to share with you guys. This package was sent by Zachary, and it's most likely a response to my recent community post about some new knives for review, so I thank you, Zachary, for sending this in. Of course, as per usual, this stuff goes back to the people who lend it. Thanks so much to my generous patrons who are supporting me right now. There's a link for Patreon right down below. And please make sure to follow me on Instagram at metal_complex in case you didn't see that card. All right, what do we have here? Whoops. Let's see. Scalpel, obviously in no immediate need of a sharpening. Still cutting exactly where I want it to. Okay, what do we have here? Do we have something special and spectacular? Boy, it sure looks... Oh! I know what this is. Packing material, and thank goodness, a note. I love notes. Did you guys know that? If you send me a knife and you send me a note, I love it. Hey, MC, this is the blank, because I'm going to show it to you guys here in a sec. You said you wanted to see. Love your content. Figured it would be cool to see one of my knives on here. Hey, that's great. I'm glad. Yeah, I'm gonna show it. Keep it as long as you need. Once you're done, please send it back to, and then information. Okay, good deal. Hey, thanks so much, man. I appreciate that. Let me make sure. Yeah. All right. So this is a Guardian Tactical. I've shown the Guardian Tactical Recon 40, the Recon 35, and the smaller one. The one that I've always been confused about is the, oh my gosh, the Recon Elite. Okay, yeah, it definitely feels, you know, like a Guardian Tactical. We have those bearings underneath. This thing is an absolute monster. We have the bearings underneath the switch, and there's a steel plate, so we have that really smooth, very easy actuation. Very cool. Very interesting compound grind here, one that we don't normally see. We have a, is it hollow ground up front and flat ground down here. LMAX blade, pretty cool. These are expensive. They are more expensive than the Recon 40s or Recon 35s. And I'm going to learn about this one, but it is this is a US made OTF, and I've had nothing but positive things to say about the other ones. But I'd like to figure this out. I'd like to share this information, you know, kind of understand this a little better. Anybody watching right now, you know, like, where's all the information about the knife, right? You're just unboxing it. Yeah, that's all this is. It's just an unboxing. First time I've ever handled it. Like to kind of give my first impressions and then do a full comprehensive review 3 weeks or so down the road from when I unbox it. I will link this guy if I can, so you can check it out in the description if you want to take a look at it for yourself. Yeah, I mean, right off the bat, it feels very similar to the Recon 40. It's huge. The firing switch is very easy to actuate, and the, oh, it sounds good too. A little bit of a metallic tink at the end. Not a reverberation, but just kind of a nice switchbladey sound. Big, robust blade. Compound grind is interesting. It's really cool. I mean, I've never seen a Tanto blade that's ground like that. But it's interesting. We've got twin fullers up here and holes that span both fullers. So that's kind of interesting. It's a unique look. Yeah, it'll be a gum trap when you're cutting, for sure. But, oh my gosh, just really cool. Very, very cool. I've always been a big fan of Guardian Tactical stuff. And, you know, up to this knife, all their stuff has been very competitive with Microtech. This kind of feels like maybe it's their... Is this their Scarab 2, kind of, right? I don't know. It feels extremely similar to the Recon 40. There must be a difference because they want, you know, like 80 to 100 bucks more for this. So maybe it's the grind, right? Maybe there's something else going on. I don't know, but I will bring you those details. Chances are, if you look right down in the comments section, somebody down there has already explained it, right? But I'm still going to do a full video on it after I figured it out. And I still want to experience it. I still want to look it over and do what I usually do, right? I mean, that's the fun of it. So, really cool. I like that. I'll link other Guardian Tactical knives that are available right now. I think they just had a recent replenish at a lot of retailers. So there should be quite a bit that's down there and available for you guys to take a look at. All right, guys, that's going to be pretty much it. Thanks again to Zach for sending this in. Please make sure to follow me on Instagram at metal_complex. If you enjoyed this video, please leave a like. If you'd like to check out my other content, I do, of course, have lots of videos of knives that are either expensive or inexpensive that I do or don't like, so check those out. And if you enjoy all my content, go ahead and subscribe because there's definitely more coming. Thanks again for watching, everybody, and have a great day.